To create line plots in R, we use the basic plot function, often in conjunction with other functions such as lines to overlay a second line plot. In this video, I'll present a line plot using the plot function, and we'll adjust the arguments to modify the line plot to our liking. So let's start with some data to plot. We're going to call it V. We're going to create it randomly from a sample from 1 to 100, and we'll take 10 data points. So we have 10 numbers in our vector V. To plot this, it's as simple as plot V. But here we just get some points plotted on this graph. So let's make it a line plot. So plot V. We want to change the type. So those are dots. We could do L for a line, and we could change the color by call. Let's call it blue. And another parameter that comes up a lot is the limit. So the Y limit, here we go. We have numbers from 0 to 100, but we only have labeled from 0 to 60. Let's make it label the full range from 0 to 100. We replot. And here we have, let's zoom in. So here we have our line plot changing direction at every point along the way. Now it would be nice to maybe indicate each individual point, and we can do so by changing this to B for type B. Let's bring that up again. Type B for both. You see here, there's lines in between each point plotted. Now we can do a little better than that. I prefer this one with type O for overplotting, so it kind of overplots both lines and points so that the line extends through each point right to the center. And so you don't have those gaps. Now we can plot over top of this by using the lines function. So we do lines. Let's get another sample. So let's call this one X sample. So another sample from 1 to 100. We'll take 10 points. And we'll use the lines function to plot this over top of our plot. So type O again. And the color, we'll make it red in this case, so it stands out. So here we have both plots over top of one another, one blue one and one red one we've plotted over top. And even after we've plotted, we could put a title in this. Let's say title main equals main title. And we can set the color of our main title. Let's give this, let's give it a blue title. I'm missing a double quote here. So here we get our title. And that's all there is to it. So that concludes this video on creating a line plot in R.